Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You need one specific thing, a Bluetooth adapter that supports the hands-free profile. Once you have that, put your AirPods in pairing mode by holding the case button and immediately open Windows Settings Bluetooth and Devices Add Device. Select your AirPods when they appear. Make sure Windows lists them as a headset or hands-free device rather than just stereo. This step starts the only reliable path to using AirPods as your PC microphone. Once paired, go to Sound Settings and confirm the AirPods are shown as a headset or hands-free device. This is what enables the mic. Then open the classic sound control panel, select Recording, and set AirPods hands-free as the default device. Make sure sample rate is low enough. Try 16-bit, 16,000 Hz, because hands-free limits quality but enables the mic. Also set the communication device to the same item, so apps use the AirPods microphone automatically. Finally, open Voice Recorder or your meeting app and choose the AirPods hands-free microphone in the app audio settings. Speak to confirm input levels. If you hear nothing or see static, make sure Windows is using the hands-free profile and update or reinstall Bluetooth drivers, especially HFP support. If the laptop's built-in Bluetooth won't expose HFP, swap in a certified HFP USB dongle. That single hardware change is off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.